Hey, psych goers, welcome back. Do you feel like you need a little pick-me-up? Sometimes life can get the best of all of us, and it's important to have ways to turn things around when we're not feeling our best. So with that said, here are 15 of my health tips, instant relief, simple tips to feel better fast. Number 1, angry, sing. Have you ever noticed how singing or listening to your favorite songs always makes you feel better? Well, there's actually science behind this. Music has the power to influence our emotions. And so next time you're angry, try putting on some tunes and singing along. You might be surprised at how much better you feel afterward. Number 2, low energy. Get some sunlight. Feeling low energy is no fun. But instead of staying inside and wallowing in your bed, why not head outside for a bit? Sunlight is a natural mood booster, as it helps regulate your circadian rhythm and increases levels of vitamin D, which plays a role in improving mood and energy. So go ahead and soak up some rays. Number 3, overthinking. Write it out. Overthinking can often leave us feeling overwhelmed and stressed. To help with this, try writing out your thoughts. This could be done through journaling or simply writing on a piece of paper. By putting pen to paper, you're able to externalize your thoughts, giving them a physical form outside of your mind. This can help you gain a new perspective and reduce the feeling of being overwhelmed. Number 4, body aches. Gentle stretching. When our bodies are in pain, it can really take a toll on our mood and overall well-being. Gentle stretching, on the other hand, can help alleviate aches and pains by increasing blood flow and relaxing the muscles. So if you're feeling any discomfort, try some gentle stretches to help ease the pain. Number 5, exhausted. Go for a walk. If you're exhausted both mentally and physically, it may be helpful to go for a walk. Exercise, including walking, releases endorphins that can improve your mood and reduce stress. Additionally, the physical activity can help you sleep better, which will help you feel more rested. Number 6, anxious, deep breathing. Anxiety can sometimes make us feel like we're in danger, even when we're not in any actual physical danger. This can cause our heart rates to increase, our muscles to tense up, and our minds to race. So the next time you feel anxious, try taking some deep breaths. Inhale slowly and deeply through the nose, and exhale fully through the mouth. This can help activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calming the body down. Number 7, stressed. Have tea with a friend. Spending time with friends and loved ones can help us feel supported and connected, which can reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation. So the next time you're feeling stressed, reach out to a friend and catch up over a cup of tea. Number 8, sad. Practice gratitude. When we're sad, it can be easy to focus on the negative and all the things we don't have. However, practicing gratitude can help shift our focus to the positive. So try making a list of things you're grateful for, whether big or small. This can help you appreciate the good things in your life and improve your mood. Number 9, lazy, cold shower. Feeling lazy is completely normal from time to time. However, if it becomes a persistent issue, it can be helpful to do a cold shower. While it may be tempting to stay cozy and warm, the cold water can actually give you a boost of energy. This is because the cold water causes your body to release adrenaline and norepinephrine, which are hormones that can increase alertness and energy levels. Number 10, impatient. Reflect on your progress. Impatience can often lead to frustration and irritability. So the next time you find yourself growing impatient, take some time to reflect on your progress. Consider how far you've come and all that you've accomplished, no matter how small it may seem. This can help put things into perspective and reduce feelings of impatience. Number 11, feeling uncreative. Spend time in nature. When you're feeling uninspired or uncreative, it can be helpful to take a break and clear your mind. Spending time in nature has been shown to have a restorative effect on the mind and body, which can help improve creativity and problem-solving skills. So go for a hike, sit in a park, or simply walk in the woods. Just being in a natural setting can help you feel refreshed and ready to tackle your creative projects again. Number 12, irritated. Take a walk in the sun. Feeling irritated can be frustrating and exhausting. So the next time you're feeling this way, Try going for a walk in the sun. The combination of exercise, fresh air, and natural light can help calm your nerves and improve your mood. Number 13. Afraid, ground yourself and feel supported. Fear and anxiety can sometimes make us feel disconnected from ourselves and those around us. So the next time you're afraid, try grounding yourself to the present moment. This could involve taking deep breaths, focusing on your senses, and connecting with your support system. Remember, you're not alone, and there are people who care about you and want to help. Number 14. Jealous. Focus on your own growth. Jealousy can be a complex and uncomfortable emotion. Rather than focusing on what others have or what you lack, try focusing on your own growth and progress. Celebrate your own achievements and recognize your strengths. This can help shift your perspective away from comparison and towards self-appreciation. Number 15. Lonely. Call or text a loved one. Loneliness can be a difficult and isolating experience. But remember that you're not alone, and reaching out to loved ones can make a big difference. Give a call or text to a friend or family member and let them know how you're feeling. Sharing your feelings and connecting with others can help alleviate loneliness and remind you of the love and support you have in your life. And if you're feeling burned out, remember that it's okay to take a step back and recharge. Taking a day to rest and reset can do wonders for your mental and physical health. So go ahead and treat yourself with kindness and compassion. So which of these tips will you try first? If you're comfortable sharing, please feel free to drop a comment below with your thoughts, experiences, or suggestions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and share it with those out there needing a little pick-me-up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.